The DCK694P2 DEWALT 20V Max XR6 Tool Combo Kit features DEWALT cordless tools including our DCD996 Premium Hammerdrill driver with a 3-speed transmission and our DEWALT-built high-power, high-efficiency brushless motor delivering up to 75% more runtime versus 18 volts NiCad brushed motors. The DCS570 DEWALT 20V Max XR brushless 1/4 inch 3-speed impact driver is compact for fitting in tight spaces. 3 LED lights make it ideal for working in the dark. The DCS570 DEWALT 20V Max XR circular saw features a brushless motor that provides 5,200 RPM maintaining speed under load. The DCS367 DEWALT 20V Max XR compact reciprocating saw features a compact and lightweight design to make your jobs easier. The DCS355 DEWALT 20V Max XR oscillating multi-tool has a powerful brushless motor providing up to 75% more runtime than a similar brushed tool. The DCL040 is the DEWALT toolkit as a bright flashlight that illuminates your work area with LED output of 110 lumens. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. DCD996 in the cordless tools combo kit has a DEWALT-built high-power, high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers up to 75% more runtime versus 18 volts NiCad brushed motors. Number 2. DCD996 in the cordless toolset has a heavy-duty 1/2 inch ratcheting nitro-carburized metal chuck with carbide inserts for superior bit gripping strength. Number 3. DCF887 in the drill impact driver combo kit has 3 speed settings for versatility with precision drive for added control. Number 4. DCS570 uses a 7¼ inch blade to provide 2-9/16 inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees. Number 5. DCS570 has runtime to complete 330 crosscuts in 2x4 pine. Number 6. DCS367 has a variable speed trigger with 0 to 2,900 SPM. Number 7. DCS355 has a quick change accessory system that allows blades and attachments to be changed quickly without wrenches. Number 8. DCL040 is a bright flashlight to illuminate your work area with LED output of 110 lumens. Number 9. 20V Max 3-speed Hammerdrill. Features up to 2.8x faster application speed at 0 to 38, 250 BPM and 2250 RPM, is up to 82% more powerful, and provides up to 2.8x more runtime. Number 10. 20V Max Lithium-ion LED work light, provides your workspace more visibility with hands-free use. LED lights last long, shine bright, and have low heat. Number 11. 20V Max cordless circular saw, provides the end user with the power and depth of cut they receive in a corded circular saw with the portability and convenience of cordless. Number 12.20V Max XR compact reciprocating saw. A lightweight, compact saw with a variable speed trigger delivering up to 2,900 strokes per minute. It also features a keyless, lever-action 4-position blade clamp for quick and easy blade changes in 4 directions. Number 13.20V Max XR brushless 1/4 inch 3-speed impact driver. Compact for fitting in tight spaces and increasing productivity. 3 LED lights make it ideal for working in the dark. Number 14. 20V Max oscillating multi-tool. A single tool solution for many applications, including cutting, sanding, scraping, and mortar and grout removal. This will become your go-to solution when you need to get the job done quickly and easily. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Will the 6Ah batteries work with the charger that comes with this combo kit? Answer. Yes, the battery would be compatible with the charger included in the kit. Question number 2. Is the charger 110 to 230 volts 50 to 60 Hz? Answer. The charger is rated for 110 volts current. Question number 3. How many batteries do you get with this and what size? Answer. This kit comes with 2 DCB 205 5Ah batteries. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.